Imagine a world where your passport isn't just a travel document, but a key to a united Africa. Welcome to a future where borders fade and Africa stands as one. I'm your host at Mwaki Insights, and today we're delving into the story of the African passport, a symbol of Pan-Africanism and a catalyst for a new era of travel, trade, and unity. This isn't just another video. It's an exploration into what could be the most transformative initiative for Africa in recent history. So, whether you're an African visionary, a global traveler, or simply intrigued by stories of change, hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey into the essence of the African passport. Let's make history together. The African passport emerged from a pivotal moment at the Africanunion summit in Kigali, Rwanda, in 2016. Imagine this: African leaders, driven by a vision of unity, unveiling a passport that embodies the aspiration of a borderless Africa. But what significance does this passport hold for the everyday African? It's more than just travel. It's about reclaiming our identity and heritage as Africans. Since its inception, 4 countries, Benin, the Gambia, Rwanda, and Seychelles, have embraced a visa-free policy for all Africans, a move that transcends politics and taps into our cultural roots. We've witnessed the evolution from a diplomatic document to a potential reality for all citizens. By 2025, over 30% of African countries are expected to adopt this vision, with Ghana recently announcing visa-free entry for all African passport holders. This is where history is being forged, folks. Let's dive into the heart of the matter: the economic impact. The African passport isn't just a travel document, it's an economic catalyst. Research indicates that by easing travel restrictions, intra-African trade has surged by 20% since 2020. These aren't just statistics, they represent jobs and economic growth. And tourism? It's experiencing unprecedented growth. Rwanda, for instance, has seen a 24% rise in tourism after easing visa policies, and Ghana's new policies are positioning it as a top tourist destination. But beyond the numbers, there's a deeper story. It's about Africans discovering Africa, embracing our diversity, and fostering unity. Imagine traveling from Cairo to Cape Town seamlessly, becoming more than just a tourist, but part of a transformative movement. This movement is redefining Africa's role on the global stage. Now let's dive into the core issues, the challenges. We face security concerns, bureaucratic hurdles, and the delicate balance between national sovereignty and continental unity. But remember, every challenge is a hidden opportunity. Security can be bolstered with cutting-edge technology. Consider biometric passports and AI-driven border control systems. Political cooperation is already in motion. The African Continental Free Trade Area exemplifies our collective growth. The real transformation lies in our hands as Africans to drive this change. It's about urging our leaders to transcend borders, to envision the potential of a united Africa. This passport symbolizes more than travel. It represents our future, our identity, and our legacy. Let's delve into the human aspect, the cultural revival this passport could ignite. Envision young Africans attending universities across the continent, exchanging knowledge and traditions. Imagine musicians from Nigeria collaborating with poets from Egypt, creating art that resonates with everyone. This transcends economics or politics. It's about the essence of Africa. The African passport is a canvas for our collective history and future. It's about our youth, who are not just the future but the present, seeking a continent where they can move freely, dream big, and realize those dreams. This is where you play a role. Share this video, discuss it, because every shared story contributes to this new African narrative we're crafting. Imagine a future where the African passport is more than just a travel document. It's a key to unlocking the continent's vast potential, fostering unity and economic growth. Picture smart passports fortified with blockchain technology, enabling seamless travel on high-speed trains from Nairobi to Johannesburg, or visa-free flights from Addis Ababa to Dakar. This vision isn't just about catching up. It's about leading in innovation, unity, and prosperity. The African passport could reshape global perceptions, presenting Africa as a united continent with a powerful collective identity. We're on the cusp of a transformative era, one that could shift the global balance in unprecedented ways. So, let's keep striving, keep believing, and keep sharing this vision. Because the future of Africa, it's in our hands, and it begins with each of us. And there we have it, folks. The story of the African passport, a narrative of unity, aspirations, and the future we're shaping together. If this video resonated with you, if you feel inspired by the potential for change, then share it, like it, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to Mwaki Insights for more compelling stories. Together, we're not just observing history, we're actively participating in its creation. Thanks for joining me on this journey, and until next time, let's keep envisioning a united Africa.